Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a birthday cake for my husband's birthday. So happy birthday, Simon, and let's get started.
This is a 6-inch red velvet cake and is filled and frosted with white chocolate ganache. I continued to add ganache until I couldn't see the cake through the ganache anymore. I smoothed it on and cleaned up the cake board. I'm using this happy birthday press-on. I press them onto the cake. Then I trace them with gray ganache in a piping bag with a small round tip. My husband's favorite color is gray. I had heated some of the gray ganache in the microwave and added a drip onto the edge. Now this drip looks terrible because the ganache split when I heated it. That can happen. So I took it out of the piping bag and remixed it until it came back together and redid the drip. It mostly covered the original drip, but let this be a lesson to make sure your ganache isn't split before you try to drip it. However, because I used so much ganache on the drip, there were pools of ganache on the board, so I removed the excess on the board. But now the bottom is a bit untidy, so I piped pearls at the bottom of the drip cake. Finally, I piped some swirls along the edge of the cake. This is such a classic cake, but it's perfect for any celebration. My husband loved it. Happy birthday, Simon. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.